Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video, I wanted to share with you my 2020 life journal. So this is something that is really brand new to me, but I have been loving it so far. So I just wanted to share with you guys my thought process of how this was created and what I am currently thinking. Not saying this is going to stay like this forever, but it just is where I am, and I feel like my YouTube channel is the place where I just share what I'm thinking, share where I am in my planning process, and get some feedback from you guys, because you guys have so many amazing ideas. So I was like searching on YouTube, looking at a bunch of planner videos, and I came across some journaling videos. I have always wanted to get into journaling, but for some reason it had just always kind of gotten away from me, and I've just mainly been sticking with planners. But lately I have really been wanting to document life, and I felt like being stuck within the planner system, meaning that I had to document every single week, was putting too much of a burden on myself. So I decided to look into doing a life journal. When I first started this journal, I started it as a bullet journal style, meaning that I was just gonna like write different things down. And so that's kind of how I did. I put my goals over here, and then I would just write the day of the week and then just kind of jot down some notes. Mainly, it was all about my YouTube channel and what I was posting on what day or whatever. But after a while, I said, you know what, I really want to do some more memory style keeping in here in this journal, so that I can look back on it and see what was going on in my particular, in my life at this time, not just what I was doing for work. So I started it at the beginning of February, and as you can see, the first few days was all about just writing in it, just writing down the different videos that I was planning on posting and stuff like that. But once I got here, I decided to kind of jot down what I wanted each of my planners and journals to be, and decided that I was really going to start journaling. So this 2020 life journal will be for memory keeping and writing down different ideas. I don't want to put myself in a box. I just want to, kind of be a little bit free with it. And this was the very first spread that I did. I did on Mardi Gras 2020, which I live in New Orleans, and so we do, the entire city was basically shut down last week for Mardi Gras. So I did take a bunch of pictures on my phone, and I decided to cut them out with my Cricut machine and create like a memory of what happened on that day. I really love how this came out. As you can see, I just kind of write down just different little notes of like when I saw my friend was walking with my daughter, and it really thought the picture was amazing, so I just took it. And this is my daughter's here, and I also caught this bag of chips. I didn't eat them, but I just wrote down that I caught them. And I just have some more pictures on the back here. I really like how this came out, and so I wanted to share it with you, just in case any of you are deciding or picking between what to do if you can't really keep a memory planner. I really wanted to keep a memory planner. It was my intention. It was in one of my planner, when I put my planner video up of all my planners of the year, this memory keeping was at the top of my list. However, I realized that I'm probably not going to be able to do it every single week, just because of how my life is going. And so I thought that this would be the next best thing. If I can't document something every single week, I might as well document moments in time that I really want to remember. So, and as you can see on the front, I just added a bunch of happy planner stickers. It's not really much to it. And this was the very first spread. But as I do different spreads in here, I wanted to get y'all feedback and know if this is something that you wanted to see. Would you like to see more of journals? Because I have started it's two journals right now. I have this one and then I have my YouTube journal because I just want to document my process of going through YouTube, subscribers, how am I growing, and just learning different stuff about the platform. So that's what that one would be for. But would y'all like to see that? Y'all let me know in the comments below. And if you have a life journal, definitely let me know it below. I have been stalking everyone on YouTube who has one so that I can watch their videos. So guys, I hope this one has helped you. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all want to see more videos on this life journal, and I will talk to you guys later. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.